This is something that can be really annoying, especially if you do your own carpentry and paint work. For example, when you put in baseboard, you use small finish nails to put the baseboard in place, and then it ends up with nail holes. The conventional thing to do is to use acrylic latex painter's caulk. But the thing about painter's caulk is that it shrinks as it dries. So then after you paint it, you notice that you can still see little dimples where the nail holes used to be, and that can be really annoying. And you can't sand down painter's caulk, so as a result, you end up having to do the whole thing over again. So that's why oftentimes I use fake wood, plastic wood. You can find this in the same aisle that has caulk. You just have to go a little bit further towards the wood stains and whatnot. The nice thing about plastic wood or fake wood is that it doesn't shrink as it dries. So you can overfill the nail hole, then sand it down to be flush with the trim or whatever it is, whatever the wood is surrounding the hole that you want to fill. And then when you paint over it, it's completely flush. You don't have the problem of shrinkage that sometimes happens with conventional painter's caulk.